So one write a Python program to access a function inside a function. Okay, to access a function inside a function. Okay, nested functions, like nested functions. We want to access function which is inside a function. Okay, two functions we have to write here. Okay, just how to access inside a function we'll see. First, define outer function. Define outer, like out, and pass an argument, pass an parameter here a. Okay, this outer function, assume it as, and define inner function now. Define inner function as inner, like this one, and pass a parameter b. Do some tasks here. Okay, just assign sum is equal to a plus b, some task whatever, but we have to access now sum a plus b, and return that value, sum variable. Okay, so return sum. Okay, return sum. In inner function you are returning this sum value here. Okay, the variable sum consists of value, so we are writing that value in a inner function. So outer function just return inner function, that's it. Inner function. Okay, inner function returning this value, and outer function returning the inner value here. Okay, simple. See, inner function returning the sum value, outer function returning the inner value here. Okay, return here, not in definition, return. Okay, outer function returning the inner value, inner function returning the sum value here. Okay, and now execute. Now we want to execute this a plus b now. So pass the argument of this parameter a out of some whatever parameter. This is the argument here. A is an argument, a is a parameter. Okay, argument, we are passing the value to this parameter, and we are on to assign this sum to variable. Assume it as function, whatever function is equal to out of it. Okay, this function consists of this inner function value, and that inner function we have to print it now. Print inner of 6. Okay, not inner of 6, function of 6. 6 means this b value here. Okay, so out of 8 return some value. That value have to store this function variable, and in function variable we are passing this b value. Okay, this b is a parameter and 6 is an argument here. Okay, argument passing value, parameters are the variables and their values are called as argument here. Just execute it now. 6 plus 8 plus 6, 14. Have to get it. See, 14. Okay, so this question is about how to write a Python program to access a function inside a function. How to access a function inside a function, how you access this. Okay, this is the way you can access. Okay, these are two functions are there. So first you declare outer function. Okay, and then declare inside a function, and in inside function perform some task here. Okay, some whatever task here, and return that function value here. Okay, using sum here. Okay, and outer function, inner function returning the value, and outer function returning the inner function value here. Okay, so inner function consists a outer function value here. Okay, right, and just if you want to execute it, just use here function is equal to out of 8, pass an argument and store in some variable here, and pass inner function variable using this argument 6 here. Simple. Okay, that's it.